Begin the birthday list off with the smiling Bentley Holstein as he celebrates the big #1. And look at that, safety first. He's all strapped in right there. Happy birthday, Bentley in Pittsburgh.
All right, turning 6 this year, Brynn Hobbs. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, Brynn rocking that summer picture right there. That makes me long for the warmer weather, and we'll get some tomorrow. Leonidas Wary. He's got a birthday coming. He's got Thanksgiving birthday. We got a couple of those. Leonidas, that's a good-looking uniform right there, kiddo. He's celebrating his 8th birthday in Uniontown.
And in Gerard, Mackenzie Wood will be turning 12 years old tomorrow. Hope you have a great holiday and birthday.
A Thanksgiving teenage birthday for Trinity Green. As Trinity gets ready to celebrate 13. Happy birthday, Trinity in Columbus.
All right, Courtney
Out there at
Flynn.
the fair, I bet you.
Yeah. Courtney Flynn, I love that picture there, Courtney. Turning 18 years old this year in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday, Courtney.
Jason Huganen, celebrating his 48th birthday. Jason, why don't you have a marvelous day in Iola.
Here's a cool one. Turning the big 5-0 with the throwback pick there on Thanksgiving Day in Neosho. It's time to celebrate for Michelle Bowling.
Now, it's funny how your big sister, she's always in charge. Even when you celebrate your 60th birthday, your big sister's always in charge. Because Kathy Gregory, from your big sis, family and friends, we are wishing you a marvelous 60th birthday. What a wonderful picture right there. Happy birthday to Kathy in Sheldon.
Let's see, Charles Leroy Block. Born on Thanksgiving
Wow.
Day in 1936. His birthday this year falls on Thanksgiving again. Pretty cool. 84 years old this year for Mr. Block in Reeds, Missouri.
That is really neat right there. Happy birthday, Mr. Block. Israel Owens, a happy birthday to you. There's a great smile right there. Israel celebrating in Pittsburgh.
All right, we've got a Thanksgiving anniversary, and this year it's the big 60 in Neosho for the Anthons. Congrats going out to Cliff and Bethany Joe in Neosho. 60th wedding anniversary tomorrow.
Who that is?
What?
Look at this graduation picture too. How cool is that? That is our own Allie Simon. Allie actually in studio with us right now. She is behind the camera. And Allie, a happy birthday to you. We appreciate everything that you do. It's a great looking picture too. Congratulations.
Well, in honor of your birthday, Allie, I'm going to ask you to make us a dessert later in the show. Maybe 2 desserts. How about that?
Yeah, she's on it.
She's looking at me.
All right, Sherry
Telling me to
Manning
shut up.
out of Medical Lodges. Everybody social distance, but you make sure you tell Sherry a happy birthday. And Joe and Pat Negaman, a happy anniversary. Joe and Pat, congratulations in Columbus. Happy birthday, happy anniversary. Oh, here, take your headset off, kiddo. Come here. Because we don't get to do this a whole lot. That's where we send them into. Hey, Nathan, do me a favor. Just pop up. Yeah, come here. Because everybody needs to know. This is Allie. It's her birthday. Allie, congratulations. We don't get a chance to bring staff on air and tell them thank you. What? We're not doing birthdays tomorrow. You know this.
Oh, but we'll do hers tomorrow, for sure.
Yeah, we'll do yours tomorrow. Hey, thank you for all you do. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
Oh, we're just going to keep embarrassing you, I think, Allie. I'm serious. I want you to make us a couple desserts later this morning. Part of our Thanksgiving feast. Can you whip up something real quick? She's gonna get right on that. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.